Hello everybody, my name is Thor Young. I'm a moderator at Bear Bull Traders, and I would like to do a recap for you on my trades today. I traded 3 tickers today, Dell, INO, and AMD, and I want to talk to you a little bit about them and how I'm using Camarilla pivot points in order to put together some plans, but also to take these trades, and I wanted to kind of give you a little insight into that. I recently did a webinar for BBT where I went through and outlined multiple strategies around Camarilla pivot points and the kind of indicators you like to use. So if you're a BBT family member already, I'd recommend getting by and checking those out. If you're not a BBT member already, if you'd like to get access to more of this kind of information, then do me a favor, like the video, subscribe and ring the bell, and then also engage with me. Leave comments. What would you like to see? Steer me in a direction for the kind of data that you'd like and the information you'd like. That way I know what kind of videos you make. The more attention I get from you all, the more videos I can make and put out here where everyone can see them versus having to put them behind the paywall at BBT where you may not be able to see them. So appreciate that, and now on to the trades. So you can see here on INO, we had this really big rally going on INO with a good catalyst this morning. I have a strategy around an R4 breakout, and this thing was already well past that, and it was gone. And R5, R6, I mean, I had nothing in range I could use, but I found this lovely daily level. So you can see right here, indecision candle right there, pegged 1082, right on it, real clear spot for a potential reversal. And sure enough, came right into it, hit it, and then turned upside down. I went short at the loss of momentum and then realized I had only taken 1 share. I had a platform glitch. Something happened with my hotkey, and it only took 1 share. So I got out here and stopped. But nice reversal at a daily level. I show you guys the stuff that works. I thought I'd show you the stuff that doesn't, but good entry, right? I tried 1 more short here to head back towards the pivots. And then I stopped out at break even because I could tell in the level 2 that a squeeze was coming. So I got off of INO. Unfortunately, we're 2 away from the pivots. I can't really use many of the strategies the way I like to, but this was right up my alley. Daily level works just as good as a pivot, and then new 5-minute low with the cross of the 20 EMA. That's good stuff right there. So I went over to AMD at the open, and I tried a short on AMD. AMD was also pretty catalytic this morning, and had already been moving up quite a bit. Not quite as much volume, not quite as nice in the pre-market, and I actually thought it looked weak off of this indecision here, so I went short, got a beautiful move down, didn't take any profit, and ended up going out at break even because it looked a little bit stacked to the top side. So now these red lines here are Camarilla pivot points that I had to put in. Unfortunately, DOS only calculates 1 through 4 right now. But you can calculate 5 and 6, and at BBT we actually have a hot button I can use. You double click on the DOS montage, hit the hot button. It doesn't put it in, but it does give you the calculation so you can manually find the lines. And you can see here we did a double top here right off of R5. I went short, little compression area here, short at the loss of momentum again. Got a great move back to the open price. Awesome opportunity off of this. But you can see the R4 breakout, which I detailed in the webinar, still working strongly, and AMD is on a tear. So last but not least, I traded Dell. Dell really is a 5-minute kind of trade. So you can see Dell had this big gap up yesterday after some good catalyst news came out, and it was popped up, and I'm just not looking to take it long anywhere up in here. So I wanted to see Dell sell off back towards S4, and sure it did. Bounced off a good size bid at 95.50. I went long, lost my candle. It popped all the way back up to about here, and I took a partial. Let me get to the 1-minute chart so you can see that a little clearer. You can see it came here, went long, popped all the way up to VWAP, came back, and I went ahead and took a partial there. And then we came back down, and I stopped out at break even. But all in all, I mean, successful. And then we came here, held, got back above VWAP. I decided to do a little bit more relaxed of a trade, so I went long at VWAP, gave it the loss of the new 5-minute low and VPOC value here. And we got a great push up, and I've got multiple partials now going. This is about 3-to-1 and then a 4-to-1. So well over goal on Dell today by itself, and then I got those other trades in there. So anyway, the main thing that I really like about Camarilla points, and as we talk about these, I hope you will come to like, is that the points provide you a where. They give you a location to focus on, kind of like a high of day trade, right? You're always looking for high of day. Well, here you can scan quickly through stocks, looking for stocks that are near these key pivots. And if the volume comes with it, use your VPA. And if you read volume or some other things coming with it, then you can make a trade and put together, a plan off of that. But it gives you the patience to kind of wait for it to sell off to a certain level before you start trying to go long, versus just going long right off the beginning and have to hold incredibly unreasonable stops. So I hope this was beneficial for everybody. Again, if you enjoyed the video, throw me a like. And if you'd like to see more of these from me, just keep commenting on them, and I'll get some more videos out for you. I hope everybody has a great day, and as always, keep it green. Thanks.